All right. Hello, please. Hello, please. He says, as nothing is hello pleasing as it should. Okay, that's up and going. Where? God damn it, YouTube. God damn it, YouTube. Can you expose my stream, please? There's one. You know what? Maybe not having the shorts chat is fine. Maybe that's fine. Can I refresh? Load all. Doesn't do nothing. Okay, yeah, we're just not gonna have YouTube Shorts chat. That's fine. That's probably for the best. Probably for the best. Okay. Comms check. 1, 2, 3. Hello, please. Comms looking good, I think. Okay. Okie dokie. Hunky dory. Okay, so we're gonna actually work on the Colony Sim side of tree chopping. I think I have it mechanically working for the most part how I like. Which looks like this. What? Oh, it's an old one, but it checks out, sir. What? This was just working, no? Oh, like, have I not cleared my old interact action? Is that what's happening here? Yeah, I do very much have an interact action. Why are you not? Why are you not updating? What? Wait, I am currently interacting. Okay, interesting. And stop, close. Let's redo that. Why? Okay. I think I broke it by putting, probably that one there. I'm gonna guess that's the answer. I'm gonna guess. If you could hurry up and run live coding, please, for me. Thank you. Ba-da-boom. Okay, we're just gonna rebuild because that's taking far too long. Now we have to wait for whatever the hell this is to terminate. Thank you. I'd really like to know what the hell is happening behind the scenes here. Like, why does this take so long every time? We're not even doing anything yet. Now we're doing stuff. Like, the actual compilation happens very fast, but then it's like starting it up eons, almost like twice the time. Okay. There we are. There we are. Try to interact some more here. Okay, no, we're still doing that. Is it because I removed the clear at the end of it? Where I thought that was, yeah, it was here. Let's try that. Live coding. Live coding. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, that was it. Now, was it the addition of the clear? Or rather, the absence of the update interact status? It was the clear specifically, okay. Okay. So I did that for the... I removed the clear so that the colonist would work properly. And I think the colonist needs to be able to find the tree dynamic mesh actors, because he's only looking for ISMCs at the moment. So that probably, I think that's what I was going to do here. But I think I'm probably going to omit that. Why do I keep joining my own chat room? I would like that to stop, please. Quite distracting. Dominic, welcome in. Good morning. Sorry, my YouTube Shorts chat is not showing up properly on my screen. Okay, so, and we can't double press it now. Right, because it's not a new one? This goes from... This used to work fine. Why is it not updating now? I will say the developer's favorite phrase. How did this ever work? Yeah, when did I add the interacting tag? When did that get added here? Let's just look for the... Oh, because it returned false. Right, because we're swinging. Okay, so I think I need a better way to determine when the interaction is over. I thought this was going to do that. This was not working. Then I would have added that there. So, like, the issue here is, like, I have this event when the tree takes damage, and that's when I can determine whether the interaction is successful or failed. And that's not when I want it to change to success or failed. I'd like that to happen later. So I was trying to add the interact action succeeded tag, but without the event updated tag. But that wasn't working. Maybe I should revisit that. But yeah, I would like a better flow for this, because it's kind of, it feels janky right now. Everything feels a little janky. Hobbled together. And why wasn't this one working? I guess we'll see here. Dude, live coding just taking an eon to run here. Oh man, my memory's already at 80%. I should have restarted my fucking PC before the stream. Okay, so right here is where we dealt damage. That frame, yes. So I have both the interacting tag and the succeeded tag. So I guess I should remove the interacting tag. God, can you stop resetting my view, please? That's the most annoying thing in the vlogger. Let me put a log. I want to see a vlog here on swing end. Okay. I want to see that. Because technically that should be true, I think. We're still swinging here, still swinging. End current anim. Try that again. It actually put a slice. That was my melee swing, though. Which has nothing to do with an interaction. Okay, hang on. Stop and clear that. I pressed the wrong button. I didn't see the vlog. Will you till swing finished? Oh, because it's a different anim. That's playing. Okay, so we don't wait for the... Yeah, we don't wait for the animation to finish. I see. Trigger current ability. New incoming high priority anim. End current anim, which ends the ability. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hum. Okay. So that actually gets ended earlier than I wanted it to. I don't add an ability to that. Maybe I should. So I have the ability here. Maybe that should be on the ability. Yeah, and then the ability can remove it from queue, not cancel itself, and then add the new one. I think that is the move. But then that's like entirely dependent on the ability at that point. Whereas like, if they just do a melee swing, that's not... Well, I guess this works for a melee auto attack ability. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, maybe I just need to do... Yeah, I just need to handle it in this function, I think. And then I don't think we need to set up like the skelly mesh here. Ability. I don't think I need to do this though, do I? Because I think the skelly mesh is already going to be set up there. Let's try it without it first. We'll see if it works. If gameplay anims. And then I need to grab the anim queue data here. I think I want to treetop ability, source anim, source entity. It's for the owning entity. Yeah, we'll need to have, yeah, just pass that in. And then what we want to do here, if we don't have gameplay animations, I don't know what's gonna fucking happen there. Well, let's just go ahead and add this in here. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and do that. Change this to add chop recoil anim void and then we don't need to add that parameter because we're just going to do that. Okay, so that gets a little simpler for the call site. And then what we want to do is remove ability from queue. Ability. Does that work? Let me follow this. Sorry, I'm a bit sniffly. Cancelled is true here. I would like it to not cancel. Do I have a fucking path here that doesn't cancel? End current anim. There we go. That's what I want. End current anim on... Why is entity there? Is on the... I was just there for like logging essentially. Okay, that's fine. And then false. Okay, put a comment here so I know what this fucking does. End current anim without canceling so that we can play the next animation without ending the ability prematurely. Okay, let's try that. I wonder if I should also add in something here. Right here. New incoming high priority anim always cancels. I should maybe check if they're from the same ability. If they are, then maybe we don't cancel. That can maybe be a thing as well. Let's see if this works first, and then we'll maybe try that. I mean, I can write the code down while we're building, probably. Current ability anim dot ability not equal to next anim ability. They do not cancel the ability if it is the same one. What did I change that? What did I change it? Oh, interact actions imports that? Why? Oh, for the fucking chop result default value? Why did I put that on interact actions? Put that into its own file. And then I can go and drop results. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now let's try again. That might have been AI. That might have been slop code there. I think I got that started with a little vibe code, the little prompty boy. Yeah, we will need to include in some new places. Oh, I called it chop results. Should be chop tree results here. Okay, there we go. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba-boo. Boo-boo. Alright, what do we got? What's the damage? All right, almost done re-importing things. Almost. Oh, so many things to import. So little time. Okay, we're down to 7 actions to build. Okay, we made it. All right, let's see if that ability ends at the proper time now. Let's close some of this stuff. Okay. Oh my God, what are you doing, brother? second. That might have been something else. You just ran up a tree there. Okay. I don't want any of that stuff. Okay. No, the swing is still finishing. Okay, so okay, so it's ending the ability. It's just not canceling the ability. It needs to be this. That, I think, is what needs to happen. And then I need to not end the current NM, because then that, yeah, we need to not do that. Yeah, I guess that my anim queue was not really set up to have multiple anims. Wait, what is the what is like casting and stuff do? End ability on anim end is false. I added a Boolean flag there. I see. I see. I mean, what I have should work, and I don't think it breaks anything else, so let me just try it. I hate that ensure. I don't know what the hell that is I'm talking about. Okay, the ability did not end. I still have the ability. DV, welcome. Oh, I'm still... I'm just chilling. I'm just looking... Oh yeah, we're just... I'm not even playing the idle animation. Interesting. So wait, I never ended the anim. Wait, it's constantly... Wait, why is that constantly... Oh, because we never ended the fucking thing. Yeah, no, we have to end the current ability. Otherwise, yeah, it doesn't do anything. How's it going? It's going well. Welcome in. How are you going? You like the art? Thank you. Appreciate that. Well, I didn't do the art, but it does require effort on my behalf to communicate. Communicating is hard. No one ever tells you that. Frantic, welcome. Coming along. It's coming along. I'm trying to figure out the ins and outs of, I guess right now, tree chopping animations in regards to my little animation system here. Also, I can get like a proper signal on like when the tree chop has ended. Let me go ahead and... So I'm overriding the melee auto attack ability. Communicating is so hard. It is, especially for us. How do I say this? how do I say this? Special game dev people. Communicating is exhausting for me. I got you. Okay, good. Okay. Make ability anim. I basically need to override this and add to it. I need to add that little flag for ending the ability when this ends. That's what needs to happen. Okay, so we have to do my favorite Blueprint native event. My favorite. Okay, and then we'll override that in the blueprint. Let me check and make sure that that variable is... It's not. It's not. Ability on animate. Yeah, we need to set that to false. Stevie, do you have a, I imagine you probably just use pure ref like everyone seems to do, but I wanted like an online version of that so I don't have to keep sending the same fucking file. Well, I started like a little Figma. I don't know if you know Figma, but like you can create a free one, but it's like, it's limited. I think you only have one. Aptly named my project. But yeah, I wanted like a web one so I could have it updated. And this is the best I found. Yeah, here's my current references. Miro. Let me check Miro here. AI Innovation Workspace? Is this you? Oh boy. Oh, I hate it already. You can log in with Slack? Who the fuck does that? Online whiteboard. Boards expire after 24 hours? Oh, if you create an account though. Okay, well, we'll check that out. We'll check that out. Ugh, Miro, she's like, no, not my beloved. They've been AI pilled. Like, I just need a collaborative space. I don't need you to just fucking put AI in there. I don't need a fucking Microsoft Clippy. Although that would be a fun implementation of AI. Great job ability. Okay, now we gotta override my make ability in him. We're gonna reuse the... I hate how this menu changes depending on where you click on the node. That's my biggest pet peeve. Do not end the ability on animate. Well, see, the thing is... Shit. Well, no, I'm going to manually end the ability. I'll manually end the ability. Will I? But no, I need to, like, update it. Might be able to do pure ref on Google Drive. Yeah, but then that's, like, so annoying. You have to download it and upload it, you know? See, the thing is now this ability, I have to like manually in the and fell. Yeah, when we don't, I have to edit the anim to then. I should just edit the anim here. I think I changed my mind on how I want to do this, actually. I think I changed my mind. Yeah, I think that's probably much easier. I think it's probably much easier. Scala draw, TL draw. TL draw is what Odd uses, right? Can you actually like upload images and stuff there? Apparently I've looked at this. And you share it. That's the thing. Export. Sign in to share. Okay. Don't look at my name. Don't look at that. Apparently I've looked at this before. Yeah, thanks for doxing me, TL Draw. It's very nice of you. So it's just anyone with the link. Whoop. Okay, that works. Okay, TL draw. I see it. And what are my limitations here? Oh, dark theme. Yeah, okay. Love it already. All right, TL draw, you might be the new. Might be it. We'll see. I'll have to find out what like the limitations are for the free version or whatever. TL draw, just like putting my fucking social security number on the screen. Why? Okay, that looks smooth. We applied the damage. We did not end the ability. The ability ended here. Perfect. Okay, that worked perfectly. Are you SMHing your head? Oh no. Okay, let's make sure it does end the ability when I chop all the way through. Oh, we still have this issue. I have to hit the escape button. There we go. Okay, did the ability end properly? Don't need to see attributes. The ability is gone. Swing wood axe. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's working. Yeah, that's working. Okay, let's go ahead and undo. Yeah, I figured it out. We figured it out. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. That works perfectly. And I feel like it is a lot simpler than what I had before. Okay, so that's working well. Now back to the original issue. I need to know when... Did I clear the... I cleared it already, didn't I? I did. Okay, let's try this again. Yes, thank you, editor hash. Does that happen to anyone else, or is that just me? Like anytime I eject for the first time, it's like, hey, editor hash. It's not gonna affect anything, but it's not there. Okay, thank you. It's like when the nav mesh needs to be rebuilt. It's like, dude, just chill. It's okay. Okay, so it did get marked as succeeded. That's okay. So that is sort of working. I think I just need to remove the interacting tag here. Well, no, that should have. So happy I don't have a nav mesh yet. You don't have, are you gonna have any NPCs at all, Stevie? That is a nice problem to not have. Why didn't that remove the interacting tag? Update interact, remove invalid interaction statuses. Oh yeah, we didn't remove the interacting here. Oh god, this is one of those things where it's like, if I add it, is it gonna break something? There is an enemy. Does it have anything to do with the data room, perchance? That I'm not supposed to look into. Enemy will mostly be in there for the first part of the game. Wow, you're spilling the beans, Stevie. Don't even know if there will be a nav mesh for that part. Yeah, probably don't need to if it's not, doesn't need to do anything, you know? Can't wait till I rewrite the Unreal Engine nav mesh. It apparently, it doesn't have any concept of a Z. The nav mesh tiles are only on an XY basis. So the verticality, like I have, you know, underground terrain chunks. Like when something changes on the surface, it rebuilds the nav mesh in the entire Z axis, which I have completely async nav mesh rebuilding. So it's like, it works, but it's just not, you know, it's a little wasteful, you know, it could be more efficient. So it's like when a terrain chunk spawns for the first time underground, it rebuilds the surface nav mesh. Monster is going to be on the capsule art? Oh, okay. So not, okay. I didn't know, by the way, because like anytime you like talk about it on stream, it seems like a big secret that you're trying to like, I don't know, like a big moment you're trying to unveil or something like that. Can I continue to swing? I can continue to swing without the annoying check. Yay. These are precursor statements to my drawing, making his own engine. No. You get that evil away from me, Ricky Bobby. What does he say? You don't put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby. There's just so much, like all this stuff is like gameplay. All the stuff I've rewritten is like a gameplay feature type stuff. It's not like core engine stuff. You know? Well, maybe some of the collision stuff that I've done, but I'm also planning to use a different plugin for physics entirely. That might be one of the next things I do. Because I want to do the tree dominoes, you know, and trees dealing damage. And when you have trees, right now all the trees have Unreal Engine collision turned on. Even if they're on unspawned terrain chunks. So when a colonist fells a tree, right now on an unloaded terrain chunk, it would just fall through the world forever. Which is not hunky-dory. No bueno. So I need to figure something out for that, because I still want those trees to, like, I want there to be logging accidents that happen while you're away from your colony, you know? If you know, if you have a bunch of guys out chopping trees, they might get bonked by someone else's tree, you know? So I want the physics to be turned on. There is this there's this plugin. It's a networked physics plugin for C++, but it's using the same ENTT ECS that I'm using. So I want to give this some performance tests. They don't have anything in here about performance. When was the last commit? Oh boy, 3 months ago. Okay, not bad. Not bad. James, welcome in. But yeah, I'm gonna try that out. See if we can't cut down on the because like the Unreal Engine collision is so much memory. Like that's why I can't have the collision. That's why I don't like spawn all my terrain chunks. It's just because it uses up so much memory. Okay. Moving on though. Moving on. We've been fixing issues. Now, okay, let's see if the colonist can do tree chopping. Right now, or like before, he was just running around chopping the trees once. He had no concept of like, did the tree fell or not? Do I need to keep chopping the same tree? Okay, that one fell. Okay, he's gonna fell 2 trees. Nice, good job. Okay, no, he's still only doing it once, okay. God, that editor hash thing, man. It's so crazy. I just had this weird thought of like, because I watched a Tim Kaine video yesterday about how the internet changed game development, and he said like there used to not be game genres really, like they used to not be very well defined, and there were the ones that were defined where there were very few of them. And so he was saying like you figured out what type of game it was by looking at the box in the store. You'd look at the box art. And when you said the capsule art, Stevie, I was like, well, it's so weird how that's changed now. Now most games don't even have boxes. Like you don't have cover art, you have capsule art now. That's what that changed into. Just kind of had a shower thought there for a second. No point to be made there, just interesting thought, I think. I miss boxes, yeah. Dude, I remember I picked up AoE 2, Age of Empires 2, from Best Buy just because the box, it looked cool. And little did I know it was one of the greatest RTS games of all time that I picked up. Just random little Mahjong. Oh, this looks cool. Fucking banger. Out of all the boxes on that shelf. Will your game run on Switch too? I fucking hope not. Number of genres in music books and games has exploded. I'm not mad about it. Yeah, until you have to communicate to someone what type of metal music you listen to. It's new metal, post-grindcore, thrash rock. Like, oh, okay. With some prog influences. So, it sounds like pots and pans getting thrown down the stairs is what I'm hearing. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Coolly. It was indeed cool. You would know. What was I trying to look at here? Got lost. Oh, I wanted to find the tool utils here. Oh, I need to make him, yeah, chop trees, receive chop result, chop. Only I can find a few more places to fit in the word chop in that log statement. Oh, look at him. He's found all of the trees. Yeah, okay, so now I think I just need to... Yeah, I think we're gonna clear that interaction entirely and then just re-find the nearest tree, because it could... Someone else could be chopping it as well. We have to think about that. Maybe I should add a reserved tag to it. Or I do have that system in place, like reserving items to not like move to. But there could be, I'm gonna have like really large trees that like you might want multiple colonists working on. I have my second coffee already made. That's what I call a pro gamer move. We're fucking locked in and dialed, I say as I procrastinate, not actually fix anything. So yeah, I think suffice to say, I think I want by default multiple entities to chop the same tree. Now there could be a situation where you have two entities that find the same nearest tree. One of them is far closer, so he gets there and chops it first, while the second one is still on his way over. And he's gonna go over there and like swing at an already chopped tree potentially. So that's a situation I want to look out for. I think what would happen is I would hit the deformable ISMC, not the definition reader. The deformable ISMC is interactable because it would be chopped already. Therefore, this would be invalid. So I think I would just hit this. Let's not put a check here. I'm gonna say tree probably already got chopped. So we just return false. So that's actually a valid scenario. Processor Chaos, welcome. Old times are great, or maybe I'm just nostalgic. Yeah, aren't we all? But for example, I have this golf game from 2023, and now when I launch it, it says, hey, we are shutting down servers next year. Buy our newest game. PGA Tour 2K23. Oh man, all those. That's an EA game, am I right? If so, that sounds about right. Continue chopping. Yeah, I think we do this here. It's 2K. Guys who make NBA games, same shit. Yeah, same shit, I guess. I thought EA made those as well, but I guess not. I thought it was one of those like illusion of choices type ecosystems. The hell was I doing? Oh yeah, I need to update the, okay, we're in the chop trees task processor. Try build chop trees task. Okay, I need to add another thing here. Okay. Yeah, so right now this build ISMC task does an environment item query, which is entirely dependent on environment item ISMCs, which once you chop a tree, it gets removed as an ISMC and added as a dynamic mesh component actor. So that those will no longer return from that. Now, some considerations to make here. That is pretty, the function in question Get desired PCG points. This is pretty tied to PCG. It's pretty tightly coupled there. I don't think I would want to update this function. Now we just buy licenses. Last box I bought was StarCraft 2. Hey, I have that box too somewhere. I have a World of Warcraft Cataclysm. I think that came out after StarCraft 2. Breath of the Wild, you got a box for that? I don't know. The boxes for the Nintendo games are like, it's like the fucking, even if you get the chip, I don't know, it doesn't feel the same. Because it's just like a tiny little thing in there, you know? And most of those Switch boxes or whatever, they're just empty, right? They just have codes in them. You know what I miss? I miss when figuring out how to get to the next level required like someone's older brother down the street or something. Or you like found out about some kid on the other side of your neighborhood who got past the level. And you all go over to his house or something like that. That's what I fucking miss. I miss that kind of like, I don't just like go to YouTube and fucking get the answer immediately. I have to like go on a little side, IRL side quest to to like finish the quest in the game. I miss that. Zelda box had this small thing in the middle, nothing else. Maybe some leaflet. Yeah, the little chip. Yeah. Future is now, old man. Anyways, for these environment item object things, what is cool? What would be cool is to, I guess they would all exist as a part of my chunk processor automatically because they have location. Well, they don't have faction data, so no, they wouldn't. My chunk processor is based on, I could have a separate chunk system that contains environment items or non-faction items. Or I could have a faction that is empty, like an empty, a default faction or something like that. Though if every single tree is added into my chunk processor, that is going to slow down some other queries substantially. So maybe it would be better to have them separate. And then I could use a bit mask, because I use the faction ID. I bit mask it to make it really fast and fancy. Don't understand it, but it's fast. I could do the same thing with my gather types, which I'm already kind of doing here. My resource and gather types, it's a query basically. I could essentially hash the spatial data structure by resource and gather type, and then look those up in there. Separate spatial data chunk structure thing. And then that way it wouldn't slow down my other queries, because my dude, like my aggro radius processor was the biggest pain in, like I had to make a whole entity chunking system just to make that performant. It's the simplest thing, you know? Like, oh yeah, I just want you to attack stuff that comes into range. Yeah, to make that performant you have to do quite a bit. But it's been nice. It's been nice ever since I developed that. Now I can do like that ended up working for all of my ability AoEs as well. Now whenever I need to grab, you know, a sphere of entities for like an ability, I can grab that super quick. But anyways, I digress. Also, not every tree is an entity. They don't get changed into entities until they get chopped. Speaking of physical objects, I'm psyched for the Cozy Game Restoration one that's coming up. What is that? I got Ultima 4 and a map and everything inside. Oh yeah. Yeah, reading the pamphlet, reading the manual on your way home from Best Buy. That was always a joy. Or like you'd take it to school because you're so excited about playing it after school. You clean cartridges. Oh, it's a game. Okay, I thought this was like an event. It's like Power Wash Simulator, but for a retro game. Man, there's got to be like a Rule 34. Like Rule 35 is, if it exists, there's a simulation game for it. Which is similar. If you don't know what Rule 34 is, you can go look it up. Diablo 2 boxes with a giant book? Hell yeah. I had a buddy down the street. I was over at his house all the time. I feel bad for his family because I like do fucking 9 a.m. in the morning rolls around. I'm over at his front door because his dad was like a computer guy. So he had all the games. And I remember he would put cracked versions of all these games on my PC. So I had like Diablo 2 and Warcraft and the Orange Box, all that shit. It was just like, just got it for free because his dad knew how to find keys on the internet, you know? Don't Google it at work. Is anyone at work right now? It's fucking Saturday morning. I hope not. If you are at work, you should leave. And you can tell them my drong said it's okay. And they'll be like, oh, okay. Carry on. Yeah, what do I do for now about getting these trees in here? VOD watchers? Yeah, the two VOD watchers that I don't work, did it enough in my life. Lucky you. What kind of fortune has befallen you such that you don't have to work if you feel like sharing? I could just do a collision trace. Startup we started in the year 1999. Oh man, what was your startup? I guess you sold it then. Yeah, sold it some years ago. Lucky you. I will not be getting a Switch 2. I mean, I guess for now, just to get this working, I could just do a raw collision trace. And then update it later. Especially if I'm gonna try the new physics plugin, I'm gonna need to rewrite all of the traces, basically. Made mobile software initially for Nokia phones. Oh shit. Later back in front of web stuff. Just normal IT company doing... Oh, okay. Good for you. I just need Goog to keep popping the fuck off here. Jesus Christ! Oh yeah, what a fucking monster. Yeah, let's just do just like a raw collision trace here. I could get all actors of class, but no. Nah. Multi-sphere. Is there not a... Am I dumb here? Four objects. Well, there's just not going to be very many of them. That's why that was an option for a few seconds in my head. have to do something to fill your days and I want to show anything at you. Hey, I would be doing the exact same thing. I would be doing the exact same thing as you. Do I want to do trace channel or object type? I forget. I always forget the difference. Yeah, I think I want to do something like this. Oh, for the test level, I'm already doing basically the same thing. And I think this will be world dynamic. Let's explicitly set that here. Was it set collision profile? Yeah. No. I was just on object type and I thought it was called profile. What am I doing? Physics body. There we go. Locate. This stuff should all be there. And I forget you do start and end for the sphere traces. Radius. Target radius. Trace complex. Definitely no. Its results. Yes. Okay. So if kind of you were close, AI. You were close. Location, do I do location or sphere here? I forget. Location thickness. Okay. So I should probably put this inside. Who is trying to log on to my fucking mic? God damn it, TL Draw. You doxed me, now someone's trying to sign into my Microsoft account that I don't even know what I use for. No financial pressure is fun game dev for sure. Hell yeah. Are you paying people to like make assets and stuff for you, or are you doing like literally everything yourself? Yeah, streaming is nice to motivate and keep you focused. Played against a random guy on the internet. Tree dynamic mesh actor. What am I doing with this now? I do want to move this in here. No, I don't. We're gonna keep it like this. And we're basically, I think I just check if this is closer. Oh, but this is gonna like already, this is gonna update to failed and stuff. Shit. Yeah, this is awkward. Maybe I should do this trace first. I don't like the idea of that because it's more expensive, probably. Question about doing everything myself. At one point, I will hire an artist. I want her to be an adult. Okay, yeah, that's that's a good requirement, and actually good. Those people are in great demand these days. Yeah, I just started cold calling people on ArtStation. That's how I found mine. And I found a guy whose art I really liked, and I kept fucking messaging him until he responded to me. I probably annoyed the hell out of him. And then he wanted 20 grand for a character. And I was like, okay, that's insane. And he was like, well, I know a guy who is good and would be in your price range. And that is the guy I'm working with. An enthusiastic 18-year-old guy. It was not so good. Yeah, hit or miss with the juniors. It's probably a very professional artist. Yeah, I can show you his ArtStation. I loved his style. I remember his name because of how much is this guy. So like this is like a perfect, like, to me, blend of like stylization to where it's not super cartoony stylized, but also it's not like super realistic. It's got some, you know, artistic direction. So this environment was very good, but this was not what caught my eye originally. What caught my eye originally, because I was looking for characters first. Yeah, he's got some gooner bait here for sure. These guys right here. I was like, fuck yeah, dude, this looks awesome. Like, this is the perfect kind of, I want this like silhouette change between my characters, you know? It's like, that's like your human, right? Like that could be like a fucking orc or a dwarf or something. That, you know, this is dwarf, that's orc, you know? This could be like, this could be like an undead kind of guy, you know? And he's using like the morph targets for each of them, so they would have the same skeleton, you know? And this is like elf, right? Like different poses and, you know, yeah. So yeah, I saw this, I'm like, I want it. I just love how the silhouettes are so distinct, right? That's a huge requirement. 20 grand sounds expensive. Yeah. But he is good. He is good. I think he gave me the I don't want to work on your project price. Which I get. I've done that. I've done exactly that several times. And I've had people pay it too. This is like kind of more realistic, it feels like. That is, he's in very high demand. I'm sure the answer is both, right? Riot could pay that, yeah. But like Riot doesn't need that. Like their art style is a lot simpler. Not that it's a bad art style by any means, but and do some of the UI art and even some of the game art. No problem. Some of the stuff needs someone better than me. Yeah. I mean, my mind was like, even if I do get good at this stuff, which maybe I could after years of doing it, but I don't have time. I don't have time to do that and also make the game, you know? So I should just, I'm not even gonna try to learn how to do it more than I need to. I did learn how to rig characters. Save some money. Anyways, what the hell was I gonna do with this? I forgot. Oh, I was gonna move this up front. I'm just gonna do whatever the easiest thing is for now, and then once I get like the new physics plugin working, we'll see what I need to do after that. Art is hard, you have to be born with it. Yeah, I mean, there's all sorts of different kinds of art, right? So I think it's just about, like, especially as an indie, you kind of have to play to your strengths, right? My strengths are as a programmer, so I'm doing everything procedurally to create more content and whatnot. Not a good joke. Same here, same here. I essentially need to... Isn't this populated with... Oh, I override it. Oh, I hate how I set this up. I also hate that there's other functions that use this, so I'm kind of scared to change this. No one is born with art skill. Some people just do art as if it were a drug. Some people use it like that too. My family was an engineer family. We did no art, no music. They breathe it, eat it. Want to squeeze in art time. I eat the art. I did not know productivity until I was already a man. And by then it was nothing but a distraction. I was born in it. Molded by it. What the fuck am I doing here? I think I want to just shoehorn this in here now, actually. It's gonna be ugly, but we'll fucking do it. Okay. Yeah, that can be const. Okay, so... Is there a difference between the upper and lowercase version of this? God damn it, Unreal Engine. Why do you fucking do this? Okay, I'm gonna use the lowercase one. That one looks more usable. Fist. Okay, so now we've gotten the closest to tree. And what do I need to check here? Within radius. Ba 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 boop 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 ba. I have to go figure out my fucking bit math now. Environment object filter. I think it's this. Cast it to a uint 8. I think that works. Oh, this needs to be static. Oh, but I'm gonna have no world context. Okay. Gonna have to add that. Just do. Get interaction object. I think we just want to do the actor, right? Yeah, okay. If we have a tree. Closest tree, interaction object. I guess I also need to get the distance here as well to this tree. And then compare it against this one. Okay, there. We don't want to return there. And then it's not actually, it wouldn't actually be an ISMC action. God, that's what's so fucking annoying here. God, yeah, this is a very misleading function now. I'm gonna build an ISMC task and then we're basically not even gonna actually use it. Yeah, this is just fucking weird, man. This is just fucking weird. Yeah, I kind of want to change this. I want to move this back out of this function. I don't think this is even, yeah, I don't think this is even gonna work. I don't think this is even gonna work. Why would I want a trailing return type? Can be made static. Cool. That's fine. I guess I don't, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Tree dynamic mesh, if we have one. Free dist squared, floats, ISMC, dist squared. That's not what I want. You enter. Where's get interact location? It is in the interaction processor. I kind of want to use that though. I want to use, can I use you? Can I yoink you out here? Okay, now I can reuse that. Yeah. Oh, I need the interact action, don't I? Okay. ECS, get or add, interact action for the entity. If that's closer, we need to I should store the there we go. Make a ref for the interact action. And then we need to ECS remove the FISMC action on the entity. If I can type, which I can't. I cannot. Then show me potato salad. Get rid of that. Yeah, just undo all of that. What else do we add on the interact action? Interacting entity, that should be good already. Yeah, just the interaction object would be all we need to overwrite here. So the annoying part is going to be that this could actually update the task status and fail. And clear, oh, and it would clear the interact action. So if there are no ISMC trees, it's not even gonna fucking try. Yeah, maybe I should add get ref here and just overwrite it. No, because we gotta do this. Tree dynamic mesh, and then also auto interact action if and there is already one. Also, if tree dynamic mesh. If we do this, we just need to update the interact action. Okay, so if we have this, then we need to create a new interact action. Add get ref interacting entity, interacting object, target entity. We can add that. We should be able to have it. We should have it. On the tree dynamic mesh. You're hiding your previous declaration. Fine, call it new interact action. Fine then. All right then. And we'll put target entity here too. And you know what I should do? Yeah, we should get or add. Actually, I'm gonna say if drag action dot interact. No, we should do if ECS has FISMC action. Well, no, that's a little disingenuous, isn't it? Isn't it? If we have an interaction object, there was no ISMC interaction object found. That should be all I need. Okay, try that. Yeah, one of the coolest things about game dev is that There's so many different disciplines in it, both to learn and just for different types of people to engage with. And that creates like very different games, right? Like mine is very simulation heavy because I'm a programmer by nature. Okay, let's make sure regular interactions still work. Good. Cool. Good, okay. I'm here, you. Please keep chopping the same tree. No! No! You are the chosen one! Speaking of AoE 2 earlier. Make sure you are the right collision profile thingy. You are world static. No, right. That's right. That is right. What did I do? That's right. We need to change it to world static because yeah, they don't move. I was thinking trunk. No, we don't want to chop trunks. We want to chop trees. World static. Yeah, so that's going to return a lot. Oh, he's chopping the same tree. Look at him go. Is he actually continually? He did it! Oh, he did it! Oh, and he fucked himself up. We kind of got it. He went back to the original tree, which is good. Oh, he got stuck, I think. These, for some reason, like, these trees aren't affecting the nav mesh. I think I think PCG is kind of fucking up a little bit there. This is a test level, so I'm not like looking into it too much. So yeah, that's probably why. Wait, why are you? Oh, you just skipped all of these path segments because they were too short, I think. You just ran straight up the tree. And he fell. Okay. Does not satisfy the tag requirements. Yes, of course. Yeah. I thought that scenario would have been handled. by the listener. Although I suppose the listener never got added, did it? Never got added. Where was that at? That was somewhere in here, right? Yeah, was it in the tree? It was in the tree, yeah. No. Where am I? Why am I being dumb? I know tool utils. Oh, it was in tool. Okay, it was in tool utils. Okay, so this doesn't. No, it should have actually added that. It should have added that. Interacting, started, and updated. All of those tags happened all at once. Interact. Okay, yeah, so we triggered the interact. The ability never executed. I think I need to also be activating this. Well, did end ability get called? End ability never gets called. End ability never gets called because it never gets started. But yeah, I think I need to do the same thing here. I think canceled is true here. If it didn't start, if an ability didn't start, would you consider that canceled? Or just ended? Ended means it ended naturally. But I think canceled true is the way to go. Okay, I think we need that. Oh, we need to rebuild here. We need to rebuild. I'll run to the bathroom while this is happening. BRB, guys. What do you mean my code didn't compile? I'm Guy. Welcome. No way. All right, let's watch him go. Come on, buddy. No failures, no whammies. Oh, God, he got whammied. I said no whammies! Ah, I'm not filtering. I am not filtering out the stumps. How could I be so foolish? Where was I doing that? Yes. Or is a stump. Okay, this should fix itself now. Yep, perfect. Yes, thank you, editor hash. Okay, now it's not interactable. Why are you not interactable? Is that what we're getting to? No. See, not close enough. Oh, we still have the ISMC action. Wait, why? Oh, I'm not removing it. The AI generated slop strikes again. Because this was AI completed. Is the performance still there if you spawn something like 2000s NPCs? Yeah, for the most part. I switched to modular meshes, so like each body part is a separate static mesh that's like vertex animated. So it's less performant for that reason. But once I work on merging the static meshes into a single static mesh, then it'll be back to where it was. But yeah, I can still spawn 2000, just not at the same performance. It's some static mesh to skeletal mesh when they're close. But yeah, it still has that, so I have like a whole plug-in. Okay, this is taking way too long. Skeletal mesh. Skeletal, as good friend Prismatica says. So yeah, like right now it's like each entity is like 10 static meshes. Non-static, yeah. There's too many goddamn meshes. There's a skinned mesh as well. A little laggy while they spawn. You can't even see them because of the nameplates. Now they're all like running up the trees. But yeah, like each body part is a separate static mesh. So really there's 10,000 meshes being animated, which is a fucking lot. GPU animated, rendered and moving and stuff. Their Niagara particle locations are being updated every frame. Yeah, 30 might be too high of a nameplate count, honestly. The other thing where you shoot a ray down the ground for elevation. Yes, yeah. And yeah, they climb up the trees. Well, it's really because the trees don't respect the nav mesh. Which they do in my real level. I don't know, there's something, PCG's being really annoying here. I don't feel like spending time on fixing the test level. Otherwise, they walk around the tree most of the time. Every once in a while, they'll sprint up a tree. I will add something in for agent step height, though, so they don't, they'll just like bump around it rather than climb straight up it. But yeah, I'm going to try out a different physics plugin rather than my home-rolled physics, and we'll see how that works. We'll see if that's, Sir. You come down from there, sir. Thank you. It is like he doesn't have collision on him at all, so it is like, to me, I see that, I'm like, that's impressive that he's not falling through the world. And that he's actually like staying on the tree and shit. So where the fuck did he go? Did he run up the tree again? Where is he? Yeah, he's at the top of the tree. He loves that tree, man. Yeah, you are far too high. Yeah, that's just a fucking nav mesh thing. Okay, hang on. Let's try a new scenario. Just give me a new one. I'm gonna act like those are gonna be fixed by something else. He's playing the recoil animation too. That's good. Okay, let's make him turn into okay, now. Oop, oop. Weird. Am I still using scene proxies for the weapons? I forgot about that. I wanted to change them into Niagara particles as well. I am. That's... I forgot I was doing this. Now... why is this happening? Why now? Why now? Okay, so... do I have a remove attachments, or are they always... yeah, okay, so I remove them when they're an actor. It's weird because that doesn't fail. That doesn't fail normally. So what about tree chopping would have made that fail? Attachment entity data. I don't know why this would have failed. I just want to try again. See if it fails consistently. He was cooking there for a second, though. That was good to see. Like if he can just turn into one. Yes, he's a. He can just turn into one. I need those nameplates to be behind the UI. I don't know how to do that. Now he should be a... Okay, it does fail. Why? I bet it has something to do with equipping the axe. Yeah, that's probably it. That's it, because he equips the axe from his inventory. I feel like it probably doesn't update. Yeah, okay. Okay. It seems like a separate issue from what I'm dealing with now, though. I'm gonna fix that in a different commit. Let's just make sure the tree chopping just works when he's an actor. Yeah, I think when he equips the new weapon, I need to make sure the scene proxy stuff is updated. But like I said, I kind of wanted to change those into Niagara particles. So maybe I should just do that first, rather than trying to fix what is already there. But I would need to do performance tests as well. So that's kind of like a whole thing. But I don't know. Do I get into that right now? Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Carrie's Blackthorn. Yes, I've heard of you, Carrie's. I should like you to join my colony. You will chop trees for the rest of your days. I need him to play some sound. I need to do a whole entity sounds thing. That would be nice. Wait, why isn't he? Oh yeah, because there's no component there, yeah. Dude, he's doing great. Look at him go. Oh, he just got closer. Okay. He is right up against those trees, isn't he? A little closer. I'm a little closer. Something. Good.
Oh yeah. It's all coming together.
It's all coming together. God, he is fucking moving. Hang on, show me your inventory. Ow. We got some wood in there. Okay, he doesn't know how to, like... You're supposed to be following me. Ow. Oh, he cleared the stump on accident. Uh-oh, now he's stuck because he keeps trying to chop the tree. Oh, I need him to clear stumps too. He did finish that tree. He chopped. Look at all these little shards he chopped off it. I'm so surprised that that worked. Here, I'll clear this stump out. There we go. God, he has felled so many freaking trees, man. I'm gonna need to make colonists. I'm coming to a realization, like if he's doing it at that rate while you as the player are off doing something else, like you were gonna have so much fucking wood, and this goes for all resources in the game. So I think I need to make colonists way shittier at doing things. Sushi, welcome in. So I think I need to make him way shittier. And thank you for the follow, man. How's it going? It's going good. It's going good. I'm working on tree chopping, colonist tree chopping, which he's moving and grooving now. I would also love to see, maybe let's get 2 entities and see what happens here. It would be nice to see like 200 doing this, but we'll just do 2 for now. Whoops. Okay, just re... Where are they? There they are. Kieran Evermore, yes. I should like you to join my colony. Chop trees, good, good, good. You, come over here. Come over here, sir. Colony priorities. You chop trees as well. Yes, go help him. Go help him. Yep. Tree already probably got chopped. Oh my god, they're gonna like work together to chop it. I need them to go to different trees. Maybe here, let me interrupt one real quick. There we go. Actually, that's a big one. That's a big one. Keep chopping it. Good. Good. Just running over the logs casually. Look at those patented physics. I would like them to chop different trees. It's good that it's working with with them chopping the same tree. Why did that chop way up there? That's not right. Uh-oh. Yeah, he might be stuck here. Go over and help him. Or maybe I'll help him. Okay, I get it. I get it. Yes, it's broken. I know. Oh, I can't even get over there. God damn it. No! Stop! My own code is failing. There we go. We did it! We did it! Homeboy just ran up a tree. Okay. Look at them go. We have felled the entire forest now. You guys didn't finish chopping that one. Here, I'll clear the stumps out. Yeah, okay, so now we gotta make him clear the stumps, I think. Now I did add something to ignore the stumps. Do I just get rid of that? Because, like, the interaction should update with the ability and everything. I feel like that should be fine. Alright, Vin Blood's... No, I want Bryn... Bruin. Ironhold, yes. Nope, nope. They're not paying attention to my interactions. I need to fix that. They should be, when I talk to them, they should be interacting with me, but it's like overriding it. Okay. Just chop trees. That's a thick boy. That is a thick tree. I will help. Oh, there's 2 trees. That makes sense. You didn't clear the stump, sir. Oh, he's trying to, actually. He is trying to. What is happening? He might actually be doing it. Because it's not, the stump clearing isn't based on collision. Mask, can you go the fuck away, please? With spicy lunch? Are you sharing with the class? Oh, yeah, he was getting it. He was getting it, yeah. Good. I'm reusing my pickaxe animation. Why is he twisting the axe? There we go. They can clear the stumps now. Good lad. Good lad. So, what I've done with the stumps is like, I reset the tree's health when you fell it. And so the stumps have the same health as the full tree did. But the loot, the wood you get, is based off of the area of the chopped mesh. So the stumps are drastically less efficient. So you can just leave the stumps. There's nothing stopping you from not chopping the stumps for efficiency. No one's going to get mad at you. No one's going to stop you. No one's going to throw you in jail. But you know it's the right thing to do. It's the ultimate litmus test for morality. It's like putting your shopping cart back. Not illegal. You know you should do it. You one-shot that stump. Dude, he is fucking moving. Yeah, he is twisting. Let me look at that animation. It might just be a blend thing. Oh, it's blending into the recoil. I see the issue now. We can fix that real quick. We need to not play. Else if ECS has F stump tree stump tag. Don't play the recoil. Cheese crackers and spicy red chili spread. That sounds good. Is it like a chili crisp or something different? The chili crisp market is hot. They're like a... What are you fucking... A tapenade? I've never heard of that. From spicy chilies. It sounds good though. It's not like chili crisp at all. Okay, never mind. Oh, this is backwards. Almost more Mediterranean, but spicy. Interesting. I made a nice some birria beef in guajillo peppers. A guajillo pepper and beef stock consomme. Okay, now he's playing the right anim. Good. Here, I will help you with this one, good sir. Good. We will work together. You and I, we will rule the world. What are you doing? What did you just fucking do? He ran all... Okay, so this is... Sir, good sir, you cannot chop the tree from up there. He's like, okay, coming right back down. Be there in a moment. Okay, so his failure case is not doing too hot. He needs to blacklist this. What fucking state are you in? This I think pathfinding is... No, pathfinding succeeded. So pathfinding is just stuck because he can't move up and down the tree. Okay. Let me fix interacting with him. Oh, now he works. Okay, what happened there? That's what I want to see. Right, he was populating the tree chop task. He's got so much wood in his inventory. Look at that. Paprika is just ground up bell pepper? I didn't know that. Sounds like it can be made out of multiple peppers. He has the interact with player action. We are ending the ability, and the ability, fuck, it adds those things, doesn't it? Failed. Yeah, because then we update the interact action status or whatever. Yeah, okay, that's what's fucking it up. Let me think here. Update interact action status. If I'm going to get or add the interact action, I suppose I could check if it's the right one here. But I would like to handle that in a more elegant way. I think what happened, yeah, so we finish the swing, and then it cleans up the interact action. I could just manually check if interacting with player is here and then skip it if that's the case, but I would like it to be more resilient than that. I think probably checking if the interact action is still the one that we expect. I could also cancel the ability. I could cancel the ability. But when would I do that? Again, I would hate to do that specifically when the player interacts with them, because that's just very specific. Canceling the ability conceptually sounds like the right move. Where would I do that at? Where would I do that at? I don't even know, man. I mean, I guess I could write a view for it in the chop trees task or something. Oh, I need to test if this happens too. Would you like to see an example of the sauce I'm talking about? Sure. I don't think there's a clean way for me to determine when this happens generically without using the did character interact type concept. Which I would like just a way to say, like, hey, did this interaction get canceled? I almost need like an interaction queue for something like that, because then I would need to push the next one in there. Let everything like respond to it. Oh. It's like a salsa almost. Interesting. The fuck location is this? Oh, this is Canada. It's so hot. Like this ain't my first rodeo. I think the easiest thing to do is just check if we have the right interact action. I want you to try some and tell me what you think. Yeah, maybe next time I'm at the grocery store, I'll try some. Good on a sandwich. Like, what do I check here, though? I don't even know. Excuse me. What do I check here? I have to check that this is like a... like the proper interact action, which would be... it could be multiple versions. It could be the dynamic mesh version or the ISMC version, which is annoying to check for. That's annoying to check for. God, I almost need to, like, store the original interact action. And check if they're the same. It should exist here. Then we're going to copy it into there. That creates a copy. And that's good because ECS is probably going to change its location in memory. We can't rely on the memory, the reference, or a pointer. Okay, let's see if I can interrupt him now. Good. And he goes back to it. Good. Good. Ow. Ah! I should make that deal damage to me. That'd be funny. You interrupt someone while they're, this one. That was broken. What was the case there? I didn't have the vlogger running. Okay, it's like I talked to him before. If Mass Entity could politely fuck off. This is when he's interacting with player? Yes. His pathfinding target never changed. There's the frame where I talked to him. He's got the right interaction tags and everything. Why didn't his pathfinding update? Because he was in idle, because usually usually I clear the interaction data on exit. The state tree's all fucked up here. He should not be in idle right now. What should I think I just want to fucking... Because he stays in this state because he has timer entity data. It's the timer for like how long you should idle before wandering and whatnot. I need to like reset this state to root. Oh, I do. I do. But it's, yeah, it's because it never gets, do I need, I guess I need to like clear. I mean, I guess the problem is that we were in the idle state to begin with. Or in the wander state. We reset to root. It found a new state, and then the next stuff happened. The new state was wander. Because there was no new interact data. Let's just try to clear interact data rather than transition to root. I think that's probably a better way to handle it. The state tree and my processors are kind of in conflict with one another. Like, sir, I keep trying to drop the tree, me lord, but you're interrupting me. God, he triggers that swing quick. Oh, that's cool. He, like... he can actually recover. He's chopping the wrong one. Oh, is he missing? Yeah, he's missing. Is this where the fake hit happens? Should like a fake hit to happen if he misses. Yes, it does happen. He missed. Where was that at? It was this. That got hit. I think I just need to update the damage event. Do I actually, though? Because that's just the adjusted hit result. I'm gonna move this down and we'll see. And then as far as this goes, I don't know. I think it's actually fine. We shall see. Okay, let's just rebuild. You're taking an eon. Okay. What the fuck happened there, brother? Okay, I broke it. I assume this is the... I assume this wasn't equal. Okay, now he's working. Why did that fail at first, though? Aha. AKA schematics, welcome in. Oh, right. Right, yeah, it's not equal, is it? Son of a fucking bitch, and we don't even have a target entity either. Okay, so yeah, that's not gonna work then. Fuck. Do I just have to check for the actor interacting? Wing finished. Wait, why is it different here actually? Wait, what? Did he already add the next one? Why are you updating your interact action? Where's that happening at? Of course, you're in the fucking idle state as well. That's not even supposed to have happened. Interaction success, cleaning up. And then we initialized a new task. Am I still swinging at this point? I'm still swinging at this point. Okay, it cleaned up. Okay, so and where did the swing end at? I guess I never logged it, right? So I don't actually know. Well, it should be in the big. Okay, the swing actually ended here. That's the big break. That's when I break pointed. Okay, so the interaction is ending well before I intend it to, and it's ending because I added. Okay, I get it now. I get what I need to do now. Chop trees task processor. Wait, that is checking the interaction status updated tag. Okay, I thought it wasn't checking that. Interaction success cleaning up. Yeah, we clear all the updated tags. Do I want to change how this works? Oh, just so I can shoehorn that in there. I mean, I could very easily just do this after, put the updated tags in there, but then, like, what if... I guess the reason I don't want to do that is, like, if I get into, like, a weird state where I have these interact action, success, fail tags, but without the updated tag. They would just be kind of stuck, but, I mean, that shouldn't happen. But then again, I'm like creating a new concept that needs to be adhered to by adding an interact action succeeded tag without the updated status as a way to bypass it applying immediately, just so I can wait until the end of the ability. And determine whether it was a success or fail. You know what I probably should just do instead is just rely on the chop trees results and then just not remove that one. That way I'm not creating a new concept in a generic interaction processor that needs to be maintained just for the sake of one system. And then what I should do is just not... Here, I'm in the wrong one. I should just not remove that for non... Yeah, I'm just clearing everything there. I should probably... Could do that. Could do that. And I need to manually remove from the source entity here now, because I have the same result that's added on two different things, but I guess that would be the responsibility of the swing finished. Which, did we ever add this if the swing didn't start? No. So we should... Okay, we should be able to... Should be able to do that. That has failed. And rather than do this, F chop... free results... Okay. Yeah, this will be nice. Okay, so we'll have chop results. If chop results and chop results not equal to miss, then it was success. Let's put a vlog here. Just so I know. Entity, thing finished, different interaction object, not updating stash, sure. Is that fine? I think that's fine. Now we don't add that there at all. Now, what I want to do is probably put a comment up by this one. Don't clear for NPC entities. That gets handled in the yeah, do that. I think this feels good now. Are you guys feeling good? Okay, let's try this now. So what I'm looking for is for him to be able to continuously chop the same tree after the first strike. Yes, sir. Thank you for reporting, lurkers. Go back to lurking. Continue on as you may. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. That's a good answer. I'm feeling. Okay. Do I get a second chop? I do get a second chop. Can I interrupt him as well? Yes. Oh, he's trying to chop me. Don't chop me. Ow! Ah! Okay, it's working. It's working. I like that I can cancel the interact action by talking to him, and then I cancel the talking to him, and then he still swings and it still chops the tree despite the interact action not being there. I think it's working, guys. I think it's working. Ah, I fucked him up and I didn't have my vlogger on. Okay. I knew it was too good to be true. Oh, he's too far to interact with it. Oh, I'm not checking the blacklist for the dynamic mesh actors. It was good until you said something. Yeah, well, good thing I said something so that we can see. Am I really too far to... Yeah, he's... That does not seem like too far. Oh, you know what I'm not doing? I'm not including the bounds in the distance check. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. That's why it's too far. Okay. How do I want to do this? Don't I have something like this already? I have so many different layers of ISMC. Not in that one. What is it? It's like probably like interactable. That sounds... Yeah. There we go. Ah, here it is. Is within interaction dist. Instance bounds. Which is a box. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, so this is kind of the same. I should unify these. The difference, though, is that the deformable ISMC is reused. I should extract it into a function, yeah. Just write it to do for it. I don't feel like doing that right now. To do, unify this with interactable ISMC. Just call it like a bounds buffer. What did I call it here? Max times half. Seems reasonable. I don't want to do that because I'm just adding on to it. Direct the bounds buffer there. And then here we should have that. Yeah. Exactly right. That's exactly right, AI. You were correct there. Good. Good, AI. Good. Okay. So I think I should just be able to run live coding here. And then this will continue. This will just fix itself. Oh no, I ended it. Fuck. Okay. God damn it. Well, I guess we'll just assume that it's fixed, right? That's what you do with bugs. You just assume it works now. We'll get some more testing in there. Larkin Weaver. Ship it. Yeah, all done. Larkin Weaver. You will chop trees for eternity. Ooh. Yes, clear those stumps. You fool. You fool! I have tricked him into chopping trees for me under the pretense of teaching him how to chop trees. The old Tom Sawyer trick. Oldest trick in the book. Literally. Tree prison it is, yes. Can't tell which tree is he hitting. He's hitting the first one. He's just like way up in its face. Jesus. So scooch that a little bit. I can't even scooch it. Oh, it's like stuck against a bunch of trees. Okay, cool. That's a thick ass stump. He's there we go. Well, I can interact with the stump from way too far away. That's another thing I need to fix. Well, yeah, why can I interact with that from so far? Oh, because I just... Okay. I think this is an easy fix. I can't believe I got all my animations working. Congrats. Congrats on making it out of animation hell. You've ascended. Now you can work on other things. UI. You can work on UI. Now, welcome to UI hell. So one of the things that I think can happen, so it turns into a stump if it's like lower than, if the remaining mesh is lower than like body height, basically. But if he's standing up on something and tries to chop it, like if he's standing up on another tree, he will fell it, but it won't turn into a stump. So he won't change his swing to the downward swing, but he also won't move to continue chopping it lower. So I think he'll just keep swinging and missing. Look at this fucking Lincoln log house here. Ah, this is the exact scenario I was talking about. Oh, well, he chopped a little bit there. Oh, okay, okay. Did he blacklist that then? He moved on to the next one. What is he doing now? Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Okay, yeah, he keeps missing. So yeah, I need to handle misses here. which should be this. How do I want to handle that? If he's missed, before I was just like going to do a fake chop. Maybe I should still do that just to make the entities a little bit more resilient. Or he could just blacklist the tree and never try to touch it again. I think doing the fake chop is more resilient though. I do need to know the location so I can make a normal from it. My neighbor is mowing for the third time this week, right outside my window. What is it with boomers and mowing every 3 days? Yeah, something like that. Is it, am I doing this the right way from to? It should be going away. No, I think I did this backwards. With useless lawns, yeah. Like, bro, he has to be mowing like a centimeter off the top of his grass right now. Like, I haven't mowed my lawn in over a week and it's fine. He has mowed his lawn at least, I think this might be 3 times since I've last mowed mine. I do need to mow mine this weekend, though. Maybe he's doing that so that he probably hates that my lawn is longer than his. So he's doing this as like a fucking show of dominance. He's asserting dominance over my lawn. I'm getting cucked by my boomer neighbor. Like, bro, I'm not retired, so I don't mow my lawn for funsies anymore. See chops. Why am I not getting in here? Does he have a tape measure out? Probably has like a level too. He's like getting down on the ground. Like, oh yes. He has the same haircut as his lawn too, by the way. He's got that fucking He's got that yee ass haircut, as they say. Do you even have a fucking chop result? What's going on here? Yeah, he's got a chop tree result. Why is this, Oh, is the collision event getting cleared? I bet that's probably it. Yeah, that's probably it. And so when does this run in reference to... Yeah, we probably get... Yeah, we clear it for... Yeah. I want to move to Arizona where they just have rocks instead of grass. You don't have to mow rocks. At least I don't think so. Yeah, so I can't modify the tree chop collision. I could probably... Do I just add a new one at this point? I think maybe I just add a new one. Oh, I don't have the tree entity there. As an Arizonan, I can confirm no rock mowing. Oh, hell yeah. Do you have rocks? Is your front yard rocks? Or dirt? I do. Oh, it's a silly place. What do I do about the tree entity here? I would have the interact action. Do I just grab... And I have black plastic under my rock so weeds don't sprout. I do have that in my little landscaping areas. Just get a clover lawn, basically 0 mowing required. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say my HOA would not allow that. I don't even... What does a clover... What does a clover lawn look like? It's AI. Explain to me the intricacies of the clover lawn. I mean, I do have clovers growing, and that's a cat. That's not a clover. Does that come with a clover lawn? That just looks like they... That just looks like a lawn that's not... It's just wild. Yeah, I mean, parts of my lawn look like this for sure. So I don't go out there, dude. That same neighbor, he's out there with a little bottle of weed killer. Like, he will like squat down and like spray little individual weeds. Oh, they got some nice rocks there. Like, dude, I don't want to do that. Okay, so I could get the tree entity from the interact action, but on the first swing, I wouldn't have that because it's not an entity. So I would have nothing to add it to. There. That should be... That should work. Okay, does he fix it? No. Do I get here? Am I getting here? Still not targeting this. This view is not getting hit. Why? But this one does. The only difference... Oh, the ISMC action. Yeah, that might not be there. Oh, I mean, if I have a target entity, I can... Yeah, I can do that. Oh, wait a second. Wait, cancel. Okay. We did it. We got here. Okay, I'm seeing red. Missed chop. Though I am not seeing the tree actually get fucking chopped. Yeah, okay. I mean, I guess this doesn't even work. This doesn't even work because it just gets cleared anyway. Frick. This just gets cleared anyway. Doesn't even matter that I added a new one. Why did I not think of that?
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Yeah, that one's on me. That one's on me. And what do I need to run? What am I needing to run after this? Oh, I really only need the impact. Wait, do I use the impact normal on that ever? Yes. I mean, just for a... Okay, no, we do... Free collision event, chop tree. But it gets passed into chop tree. Where was chop tree called from again? Oh, yeah, we should be getting in there. I just need the collision event. I said, well, that should... I guess that didn't... You know, I added the tree collision event. The chop tree results... never happened. Wait, am I getting here? No, I missed the chop because none of this happened. So this is what I was missing. So if I move this to the beginning of the frame, that way we can inject fake chops into here. The tree took damage. I see no... Oh, no. I see no chop, though. So it's not actually deforming the tree? I mean, if it still fells eventually. No, still not working. It's got no health left. Yeah, I guess if it has no health left, it never... I wonder if we've just kind of fucked up this scenario. Because yeah, I just don't do it, because the final damage would have been calculated to be 0 if it's got no health left. So yeah, we just never hit it. So was this scenario just fucked up already before I even got here? From all the past iterations of trying to fix it. I guess we'll just start over. Line Gaming, welcome. So come back down from there. Ares, you get your ass back down here now. Oh no. Are you already fucked up? He already has 0 health. Okay, I wonder if changing that view was not the move. Yeah, I mean, I would have just removed the chop results. Oh no, I add one. Wait a second. I'm removing it. And then just adding it back. But put it back. Put that thing back where it came from. Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. It's already fucked up. Okay, we gotta start over. Okay, so I think that was the reason why. Tell me why. Yeah, okay, so something's... Why is this wrong? We still get here. But it, like... So no, we would never be getting to the chop because we just clear the collision event afterward. Do we need that here? Don't be weird. Stop it. Deal damage to it. And does that not work for any tree? Come here. Ow. Did he just deal damage to me? Because I was his target? Okay, he did it that time. We dealt damage to it. How come we're never chopping it, though? I literally add a chop tree result here. I mean, I guess it's because the collision event got removed. How did this work? How did this ever work before? I don't think I should be unconditionally removing these. I think I need to remove them here. Try that. All right. All right. Now can you hit the thing? No, you still missed. It's already hit something. Yeah, I mean, I guess this one's fucked up already, right? Because it's already gone down to 0. Okay, he hit that one. That one was good. Yes, we chopped. Choppy tree, yes. Now he's only hitting them once. Am I like continuously trying to deal damage to him? He's got health and everything. And hit target. I mean, that happens from the... I mean, I guess, yeah, because it's, yeah, we're hitting it every frame because now it's not cleared. The collision event, I only wanted the collision event to happen for a single frame. I guess it was just the chop tree result that, yes, that's fine. Yes, chop tree. Chop tree. Chop tree. Okay, let's get rid of that. Is he good? Oh, Jesus. Well, he fucked himself up there. Here, let me get him down from there. Oh. I had to shake him from the tree. Why, no, why are you only hitting the tree once? Stop. Ugh. I had this working perfectly and I decided to tinker. Why? Why are you doing that? I literally, it showed up. Why do we do a different one? I see that this one showed up. Wait, what? I thought that was less. Well, that one I think he... Why am I running this so much? My god, he is... Oh, that's why he ran up the fucking tree. Now he won't even... He just walked over there. Bro. Oh my god, I had it working fine. And I just wanted to handle the... Dude, I'm just gonna fucking black... If he misses, I'm just gonna blacklist him. Fuck it. What are you doing? What is this? Oh, okay. I think I need to take a break. God, I don't know if I want to do that though, because I'm like right in the fucking middle of this. Let me put this back the way it was before I forget what that was. And it was this. This is what was working totally fine. Except for the miss case, which I will revisit when I don't have mashed potato brain. Delicious garlic mashed potatoes with extra butter. Okay, I'm gonna restart this. Or just check if this works. Best place to learn to code, question mark. Google. How many hours a day you recommend if you have a full-time job? As much as you want to. All right, let's try this tree chopping again here. Oh god, it's still fucking broken. Oh, I gotta fix this before I go. What did I change? What else did I change? Oh no, oh no. Hate that. Hate that. Ah, feck. Oh, I am way too deep to back out now. Just leave me behind. Go on without me. So wait, was I dealing damage to him? Oh no, he got it. Oh, okay, he got it. He got it. We're good. Okay, false alarm. False alarm. Woo! Look at him go. Wow, look at those great physics. They're about to hit me on the head. Ouch. Owie. That'll hit him. Bonk. Oh, here's he's gonna keep missing this one too. Yeah. The exact scenario. Let me scooch that out of the way so you can actually hit it properly. No, now you're just stuck. Okay. God damn it. It works for the most part. I just gotta handle them when they miss the tree a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, so he's missing because he's standing up on something. It's happening a surprising amount. Okay, we'll handle that. Elsewise, let's commit what I have now, because I know that this is like mostly working. Okay, so this is going to be colonist tree chopping. I already had colonist. I'll say update colonist tree chopping task to account for new what? Like, what am I saying here? To handle dynamic mesh trees and tree and stump chopping. Because previously it just did one chop. Commit and push. Fucking send it. Ship it. Okay. Let's raid someone. I'm gonna get out of here. I need to go get some food. I need to rejuice. Rejuvenate. I can't even do it, man. Can't even do it. Can't even do it. Should we go Zed or should we stay Unreal Engine? Plane Shift's on. Is he doing Unreal Engine things today? I know he's in Blender quite a bit. He is. He's doing Unreal Engine stuff. Okay, we'll go see Plane Shift then. Keep it in the UE. The UE what's it? Tag. One of the several Unreal Engine tags. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Appreciate it. Everyone, good to see you all. I think I will be on tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll stream tomorrow. And you know I'm a man of my word. You know I've never said that I'm going to stream on a certain day and then I didn't do it. That's never happened before. So don't think, I know you think that may have happened. You're mistaken. I'm a man of my word. So I'll see you all then. Goodbye.